A mysterious ghost car that appears to cause a crash after emerging from nowhere in a video has left viewers baffled. Footage of the strange smash has had Singaporeans scratching their heads as they try to work out why the vehicle cannot be seen until just before the collision. They have been searching for clues by studying the video, which was shot on a dashcam in Singapore. The clip shows a motorist in a white car waiting at a junction, about to make a right turn. They can be seen attempting the maneuver as the traffic lights change, indicating that it is safe to do so. Everything seems to be going smoothly until another car suddenly appears in the middle of the road. The silver car can only be seen at the last moment, zooming in front of the other motorist. The white car then brakes, but is unable to avoid hitting the side of the other vehicle. Footage shows the silver car veering off as the driver struggles to keep control after the impact. Viewers of the clip have been left confused as there is no sign of the silver car before the crash. Many people have watched the footage again and again, desperately trying to see where the car comes from. One posting online, Elfie D'Souza, said, "Seriously, kept repeating the video, it seems the car appears out of nowhere." Another, called Jackie Tong Liang, added, "This is really weird. Played it a few times and still cannot figure out where the car comes from." The mysterious video has caused some to speculate that the accident might have been caused by a ghost car. But others have suggested that the position of the white car may have blocked the camera, preventing it from capturing the other motorist's approach. There were no further details about the crash available from Singaporean media.